Hey everyone! Welcome back to our series on lesser-known tips for general healthcare. Some of these were puzzling. Yeah, not what you'd expect. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Joining a gym can be good for your health as it can help you to get active and stay fit. It is also a great way to meet new people and make friends. If you are thinking about joining a gym, then there are a few things you should keep in mind. First of all, it is important to find a gym that is right for you. There are many different types of gyms, so it is important to find one that offers the services that you are looking for. You should also make sure that the gym is clean and well equipped. Once you have joined a gym, it is important to make sure that you use it regularly. Going to the gym is not going to do you any good if you do not actually use the equipment. Make sure that you set aside some time each week to go to the gym and work out. Playing dominoes can be useful for your health in several ways. First, it helps to keep your mind active and engaged. Puzzles like dominoes can help improve cognitive function and memory, both of which are vital for maintaining good health as you age. Second, playing dominoes can be a fabulous way to relieve stress and relax. The slow, methodical nature of the game can help to calm your nerves and lower your blood pressure. And lastly, playing dominoes can be a soft form of exercise that can help to enhance your balance and coordination. There are various benefits to massaging your legs. Touch is known to be good for good health, and massage can help improve circulation, relieve tension and pain, and nourish relaxation. Massaging your legs can also help to alleviate swelling and inflammation. If you are experiencing any of these health problems, massaging your legs may be a good solution for you. It's no secret that spending time in nature can be good for your health, but did you know that rain can indeed provide some benefits for your health, too? There's something about the sound of rain that can be incredibly relaxing. And when we're relaxed, our bodies are better able to heal and stay healthy. Rain can also help to lower stress levels and blood pressure.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.